In this video, we are going to see the topic working with godowns. In the same way, we are going to see how to create, display, alter and delete the godowns in Tally. Now let's see what is godown. Godown is a place where the stock items, products, raw materials, semi-finished products, finished products are stored. We can also specify where the stock items are kept. This tells that if the company is having 4 godowns, we can also mention which particular stock items are kept under which particular godown. Right? The same way, godown is not only limited to physical godown. Companies may use it to track inventory within factory premises at various manufacturing stages. Therefore, it is required to track inventory of raw materials, semi-finished and finished products under job work activity. In case of materials transferred on job work basis or for job work undertaken by the company, we can also obtain stock reports of each godown separately in Tally, and in the same way account for movement of stock between locations or godowns. Even that also we can have it. That is nothing but think that physically we have done the transfer of stock items from one location to another location, or maybe from one godown to another godown. Physically, there is a movement of stock from one place to another place. That is from one location to another location. The same way, even in Tally also, we can show the movement of stock between locations or the godowns. We can create locations/godowns in two different modes, that is single and as well as in case of multiple. By default, godowns will not be activated. We have to do the activation. How this can be done? From the gateway of Tally, we have to make use of a shortcut key, that will be function key F11, and there comes out with Tally features, or even we can just call here company features. In that we have to go back to inventory features. In inventory features, here comes out with storage and classification. Under this, here comes out with the parameter, that is maintain multiple godowns. By default this will be no, we have to make it here yes. Now let's see how to create a location/godown in single or multiple mode. Down we have the procedure to create a location/godown in Tally. The procedure is this way. This will begin from gateway of Tally, masters, inventory info, location/godowns, then create. This can be created under single or multiple godowns. Let's see the practical part of this one in Tally. We are right now in gateway of Tally, masters, inventory info. We can see here stock groups is available, categories, items, units of measure, voucher types. But godowns is not available. We have to do the activation. For that, either from this window or from the gateway of Tally, bottom right hand side here we have features, right, and the function key is F11. Just click on this one. This will take us to company features or Tally features, and this here we have to go back to inventory features, right. Just click on this one. Inventory features, storage and classification, maintain multiple godowns. No is there. Here we have to make it S. Just press Y. Then later save the window. Press Y from the keyboard. Right. escape to come out, then masters, inventory info, enter inventory info menu, and here comes out with the godowns, and the shortcut key will be D. Just click on this one. This will take us to godowns, and here we have single and as well as the multiple mode. And here we can see display alter of multiple, both are activated. This indicates that we have a default godown which is provided by the Tally. Let's see that one. Just go back to display, enter, and here we can see the default godown in Tally will be the main location. Just to come out, escape, right? Then single godown, we shall go for creating the godown. Just go back to create, right? And here we can see godown creation window has come down. Name, I just type here RC Nagar. Alias will be blank. This is optional. Under primary, right? Here we can specify even the parent location or the godown if it is created, or else if it is not created, we can go for creation of this one by pressing Alt C. Or if it is not available, we can set even to the primary also. Later we have to go for saving. Enter, accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard, right? In the same way, I just go for creating one more. JP Nagar, alias blank, under primary, accept, yes. Okay. To come out, escape, once again escape, right? The same way we shall go back to multiple godowns. In this, here comes out with the option create. Right, all items. Here we will take A. I just take here A. Under primary, then B, primary, then the godown name is C, primary, right? We have created here 3. In the same way, we can go for saving this one by pressing Y from the keyboard, right? Right now we have seen how to create the godowns in single and as well as in the multiple mode. In the same way, we can also create the godown or the location in advanced mode also. But for this, we have to do the configuration by pressing the shortcut key, that will be the function key F12. In case of advanced mode, we will be having extra parameters where we can enter the data, where we can fill the information. Let's see the practical part of this one in Tally. We are back to Tally, godowns menu, single godown. Let's go back to create again. Then bottom right hand side, here we have a function key, that is function key F12 configure. Just click on this one, right? Master configuration, accounts master already we have seen in case of module 2. Right now coming with inventory masters, and here the first option, allow advanced entries in masters. This is for inventory, right? No is there, make it S, right? Apart from that, I'll be telling right now only for godowns, okay? Use addresses for godowns. No is there, make it S. Got it? Right? We have one more option here, address. Then here we have allow storage of materials, question mark, S. Okay. Right now I just go for having here the godown name will be D, alias is optional, right? Address we have to provide here, okay? I just take here Tilakvadi, then welcome, under primary. Then here comes out with the another option, that is allow storage of materials, question mark, default as S. What this indicates here? This tells that this option is used for deciding whether storage of materials is allowed in this particular godown. Which godown? That is D godown. If allow storage of materials is set with no, in that case, this will not appear in the godowns list during the voucher entry. That is nothing but when we go for recording a transaction, when we select for the particular godown where the particular stock items has to be stored, in that case, in the godown list, this will not appear if this is set with no. Then later we have to save, press enter. Accept question mark, press Y from the keyboard. This is regarding about the advanced mode. The next one is regarding about how to display a stock location / godown. We can display the godowns in single and multiple modes. It is similar to display stock groups in single and multiple modes. In case of display, it is something like read only mode. We can read the contents, but we cannot do any editing, modification, changes cannot be done here. And next one is regarding about the procedure is given how to go for display. Again, this will begin from gateway of tally, masters, inventory info, location / godowns. Then here comes out with the display option in case of godowns menu. And this particular option is available under single and as well as in case of multiple mode. Let's see the practical part of this one in tally. Godowns menu, single, display. We can go for display of D, right? Cursor pointer is not available. We can read the contents. It is a read only mode. To come out, escape. RC Nagar. To come out, escape. Then escape to come back to the godowns menu. Multiple mode, display. All items, we can see the list of godowns which are created by the user, and in the same way we can see even the default godown also. To come out, escape. Once again escape. We will be back to godowns menu. Now we will see altering a stock location / godown. In case of alter option, we can go for display, editing, modification, changes, updation. All these things can be done in case of alter option. We can alter the godowns in both the modes, that is single and as well as in case of multiple. It is similar to altering stock groups in single and multiple modes. Down we have the procedure. Again, the procedure begins from gateway of tally. Whenever we go for writing the procedure, we have to begin from the gateway of tally. Gateway of tally, masters, inventory info, location / godowns. Then there comes out with godowns menu. Under godowns menu, here comes out with the alter option. This alter option is available in both the modes, that is single and as well as in case of multiple mode. Now let's see the practical part of this one in tally. Godowns menu, single mode, then select for alter, right? Let's take for A godown, right? For this we will add address. Okay. MG Road, then Pune. Later save. Press Y from the keyboard. Okay. In the same way we can come out by pressing escape. Multiple mode, alter, right? Here also we can alter. We can see the cursor pointer has come. Then later save. To come out, escape. The last one, that is how to delete a godown/location. Delete is possible only using the single mode, right? That too using the alter option. We can delete a godown/location via single mode alter option by pressing the shortcut key, that will be Alt plus D, D to delete. However, we cannot delete a godown location with sublocations. In that case, we have to delete the lower levels first. Then only we can go for deleting the parent. Right? This indicates that first we have to delete the lower levels, then we can go for deleting the parent location. Right? Down we have the procedure here. Again, this will begin from gateway of tally, masters, inventory info, location / godowns. Then godowns menu, right? Alter option, single mode. Let's see the practical part of this one in tally. Godowns menu, single godown, just go for alter, right? Then here Alt D to delete, Alt D to delete, Alt D to delete, press Y from the keyboard. To come out, escape, right? We will be back to godowns menu. This is regarding about the godowns. We have seen how to create, display, alter and as well as the delete. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel.